6, a helping hand with your land.
Hi, Tom from Messick Farm Equipment's Precision Farming Department. Today we're going to go over speed output from the FM750 and taking a simulated radar pulse from that into a controller like a Raven 440 like we'll be using in this example. This same thing can be done on T-Jet controllers, any other controller that needs a radar type impulse speed input, that you can export it from this into those type controllers as well. So we'll go through this, and if you have any questions about it, you can give us a call and we can talk through your certain scenario and see if we can make things work for you. So in this scenario, we're using a Raven 440 controller that requires a radar input. And when I say radar, if you're not familiar with that, that's exactly what this device is. It sits on the bottom of a sprayer or a planter, and it sends out speed pulses. And we found that over time, sometimes these will get water in them or they'll just fail. And we've got customers that need to replace them. Replacement cost on this unit is $600+. So for somebody who already has an FM750, you can take the 750, like I said, and input a speed into the radar port of the rate controller that you're dealing with. So like I said, the radar costs $600. We're talking about a couple cables here from Trimble that plug right into the controller for just over $200. So the price is well worth it for somebody who already has this setup. So what I'll do is talk through this setup a little bit and show you how it's done, and that way you can see how it needs to be set up if you choose to go this route with your setup. First thing we need to do is disconnect the radar unit from the back of the Raven display, and we'll take that off of the 3-pin port here. If you have a Dickie John type sensor, we can order you a different cable. That would be a 4-pin speed sensor, but in this case we're dealing with the Raven one. And so from Trimble we've gotten the 3-pin cable, and we're going to plug that into that speed connector on the back of the rate controller here. So we've got the Raven controller turned on. On the bottom row here we have a speed setting, and we can see that we're already receiving speed. So if we come here to our 750, we'll go through some of the steps to set up this radar output. First thing we want to do is press the settings tab. Next one is over here at the system tab. On this page we'll be selecting advanced, and this is the digital output, and we want to select the digital output mode. Most systems will be initially on disabled. Here we see radar. We want to deal with radar, so we make sure radar is selected. Push our green check mark. The next thing to do is to adjust your radar frequency rate. This particular radar we know is a count number of 598, so I took that and put a decimal place between the 9 and the 8, and that gets us 59.8 megahertz per mile per hour. And when we go back to our run screen, we have a good speed setting on our rate controller. So we'll go here and we'll show you the speed here is 2.2 miles per hour. And then if we go down to our Raven box, we can see here we're at 2.2, 2.3 miles per hour. So that is the setup for everything on the 750. So that's how you send radar output from a FM750 by Trimble to a Raven box or other box. Like I said, Dickie John will work as well. So the 750 has radar output options, the 250 as well. If you have either of these products and you'd like to help with setting up a radar output signal to a controller, whether it's a sprayer or liquid control on a planter, be sure to give us a call at Messick's at 1-800-222-3373 or messicks.com.